It's Brad, and I'm coming to you live, and I am here to help you unleash your inner genius. So I'm a little bit sweaty. I just got done with the run, and yeah, I just wanted to talk about something real quick that I was thinking about. Um, when a lot of people they see people that are successful, they say, "Oh, this person's cocky, or this person's arrogant," right? Well, what most people don't understand is that you have to believe in yourself way more than anybody else does before other people are going to believe in you. So many times people are waiting for external validation for them to go after what they want. They have this big dream in their life that they want to achieve, but they feel embarrassed to mention it to people because people are going to make fun of them. People are going to talk bad about them. They're going to tell them that it's not impossible. And we all go through that, and that's something that you're going to face as well when you set out on this path to achieve what you want. People are going to tell you that it's not possible. People are going to tell you that you're dumb. Hey, edit. And so you have to believe in yourself when nobody else does, and people will mistake that for cockiness or arrogance. It's a fact. There's people that aren't gonna like you. And you're gonna have to get over that. If you want it, you're gonna have to deal with the haters, because the haters are a byproduct of your success. So I just want you to go out today, believe in those dreams that you thought were impossible, but I want you to know that you can accomplish them. They are meant for you. If you thought about it, you can do it. You can become it. And I just wish you all the success in your journey. Have a great Wednesday, and I will talk to you guys soon. Take care. Bye.